آیت الله سید ابراهیم رئیسی خادم الرضا علیه السلام، هشتمین رئیس جمهور ایران اسلامی به شهادت رسید.
انا لله و انا الیه راجعون. خادم الرضا خادم جمهور ایران آیت الله دکتر سید ابراهیم رئیسی رئیس جمهور اسلامی ایران در راه خدمت به مردم به درجه رفیع شهادت رسید.
On Sunday, May 19, 2024, Ayatollah Raisi, the president of Iran according to a pre-scheduled program, traveled to the city of Tabriz and subsequently to the construction site of the Cheez Khwalasi Dam, which was built jointly with Azerbaijan for its inauguration. The outbound flight departed from Tehran at approximately 6:30 a.m. from Tehran's Mehrabad airport. After about an hour of flight, the plane carrying the president landed at Tabriz airport. The president and his accompanying delegation traveled from Tabriz airport to the Cheez Khwalasi Dam, located 12 kilometers from the Kota Afarin Dam at the zero border point between Iran and Azerbaijan, by 3 helicopters.
منم خیلی خوشحالم از دیدار شما. جای خوبی هم دیگه. Çok güzel bir video. Harika bir görüştü. یک دیدار تاریخی.
After the completion of the ceremony, President Raisi, along with his delegation, proceeded to visit the Tabriz petrochemical complex. They departed for the western part of Tabriz by the same 3 helicopters. However, the helicopter carrying Ayatollah Raisi, the president of Iran, lost communication and encountered an accident approximately 60 kilometers from the dam site near the Varzeqan region. From the very beginning of the incident, various groups, with maximum effort, searched for the exact location of the damaged helicopter. Unfortunately, this task was greatly hindered by adverse weather conditions. Among the members of the search team, it was reported that the mobile phone of one of the president's companions was accessible for some time after the incident and had contacted the search team. These reports remain unverified and shrouded in uncertainty at this time. Meanwhile, according to some reports, Turkey assisted the search team using night vision drones, which enabled the search team to find traces of the helicopter wreckage. The search team began their efforts at dawn, and around 7 a.m. on Monday, May 20, 2024, they successfully located the damaged helicopter.
سمت راست بالا عوض کن.
نداره. سرده بدن سرده.
اینجا که می‌بینید دقیقاً محل سقوط این بالگردیه که متاسفانه اینجا سقوط کرده. دقیقاً این محل سقوطشه، این خود بالگرده که سقوط کرده و الان اینجا تصاویرشو می‌بینید. این تصاویر توسط پهپادهای جمعیت هلال احمر که جزء داوطلبین ما هستن تهیه شده. تیم ها هم به سمت منطقه دارن میرن برای جستجوی بیشتر، اما خب متاسفانه دوباره مه گرفت، اما نقطه دقیقش مشخص شد.
Upon reaching the crash site, it was determined that all passengers aboard the helicopter had lost their lives. The body of Ayatollah Raisi was discovered around 7 a.m. and was subsequently transferred to the city of Tabriz. In this tragic incident, along with President Raisi, Mr. Al-Hashim, the Friday prayer leader of Tabriz, Mr. Amir Abdalian, Iran's foreign minister, and Mr. Ramati, the governor of East Azerbaijan, also perished. The 3 crew members of the presidential helicopter also lost their lives in this accident. Following the death of the President of Iran, the first Vice President, Mohammad Mokber, will assume the responsibilities of the President for a period of 2 months. According to the Constitution, the presidential election in Iran must be held again within the next 50 days.